Hi everyone, I'm super excited today to share with you 5 natural ways to help lower your blood sugar levels. We know that when someone has uncontrolled blood sugar levels for prolonged periods of time, this can increase their risk for things like diabetes, heart disease, stroke, Alzheimer's, and dementia. So let's get started. Tip number 1 is to exercise regularly.
When you have beads of sweat like this, you know it was a good workout.
For even better results, incorporate resistance training, as the ability of your muscles to store sugar increases in direct correlation to your strength. This means the stronger you are, the better able your body is at regulating its blood sugar levels.
Tip number 2 is to portion out your carbohydrates. When we consume carbohydrates, our body breaks it down into sugar, and then insulin is a hormone that signals the cells to uptake the sugar. When we eat too many carbohydrates, or if our body has issues with our insulin function, this can cause our blood sugar levels to rise. Therefore, one of the easiest solutions to managing blood sugar levels is to control our carbohydrate intake. Tip number 3 is to manage your stress levels, which is usually easier said than done. When we are stressed, our body secretes glucagon and cortisol. These two hormones signals the liver and muscle tissue to release blood sugar to our bloodstream. Now, back in the day, this would be great because our stress were things like being chased by a wild animal or maybe running away from a snowstorm. But nowadays, when we're stressed, we're just sitting.
This is why it's so imperative that we learn methods to help manage our stress levels. So this could be meditation practices, yoga, deep breathing, dancing, laughing, and incorporating daily self-care practices so that we can have lower stress. Lower stress means less glucagon and cortisol being released, which would shoot up our blood sugar levels. Tip number 4 is to try adding some vinegar to your meals. This could be as simple as drizzling some over a salad or mixing 2 teaspoons with a glass of water.
The next time you need a little bit of a zing to your dish, try some apple cider vinegar. It'll also have the bonus of delaying stomach emptying, which means a lowered blood sugar level response. The final tip is to add in some chia seeds to your dishes. You can just sprinkle it on. It's tasteless, so add it to yogurt, cereals, soups, stews, or into your baked goods. In just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, you'll be getting 4 grams of dietary fiber. The fiber in chia seeds will help delay stomach emptying and keep you feeling full longer, which will translate to better blood sugar level control.
Hope you found these 5 tips helpful, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones.